Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Virgin Media Wi-Fi booster. First, find the best spot for your booster, ideally about halfway between your main router and any areas with weak signal. Once you have a good location, plug it into a power outlet and wait for the indicator lights to become steady. Then, you can easily connect it to your Virgin Media hub, often with just a press of the WPS button. Achieving the best Wi-Fi coverage depends heavily on where you place your booster. Make sure it is within good range of your main Virgin Media hub to receive a strong initial signal. Try to avoid placing it near large metal objects, like refrigerators or other electronics that might cause interference. Clear any obstructions like thick walls or furniture for the best possible signal transmission. Once your booster is set up, connecting your devices is usually straightforward. Most of your devices, like phones or laptops, should automatically switch to the strongest available Wi-Fi signal, whether it is from your hub or the booster. If not, you can manually select the booster's network name from your device's Wi-Fi settings. Often, the booster extends your existing network, making the transition seamless. If you encounter any issues with your Wi-Fi booster, don't worry, there are simple steps to troubleshoot. A good first step is to restart both your Virgin Media hub and the booster itself. Always check the indicator lights on your booster. They provide valuable clues about its connection status. Also, consider ensuring your hub's firmware is up to date for optimal compatibility and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.